Want to use your credit card on Venmo? Here's how. First, open the Venmo app on your iOS or Android device and log in. Tap the menu icon, then go to Settings, followed by Payment Methods, and select Add Credit Card. Enter your credit card details accurately, including the number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Venmo will then prompt you for verification. This usually involves a small temporary hold or micro deposits. Complete the verification step, and your card will appear as a payment option. Remember, verification helps prevent fraud and ensures the card belongs to you. If you experience delays, Venmo's support team typically processes verifications within 24 to 48 hours. Credit card limits and fees on Venmo. Personal accounts have a daily sending limit of $4,999 when funded by credit cards as of recent adjustments. While there are no daily receiving limits, your overall Venmo balance is capped at $50,000 for personal accounts. Standard transfers from your credit card are free, but instant transfers incur a 2.9% fee plus 30 cents if you need immediate access to the funds. Also, be aware that international, prepaid, or virtual cards might be rejected. Linking a credit card offers flexibility, but be mindful of potential debt accumulation. Venmo provides in-app tools to help you track your spending. By knowing these limits and fees, you can use your credit card responsibly on Venmo.